Hello my friends, this is Mohammed Imtiaz. Welcome to my channel AutoCAD Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to show you that presentation list. It's a very small thing, but maybe you will need this one. So okay, before start the tutorial, I will show you that I have a lots of valuable videos or tutorials on my channel. Uh, how to set up a papers and dimension settings and how to print your in very lengthy paper, very lengthy page. I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, how to make attributes and how to edit our polyline and how to download AutoCAD 2020 to 2017. I have very valuable videos, so please subscribe to my channel. Okay, hit the bell icon so when I uploaded a video you can get soon notification. Okay, let's start the tutorial. It's a very small and simple thing, but maybe you will need this one. Okay, so let's start it. As normal, go to manage to load your list, load application and call out. Okay, load, close. Okay, now we loaded, so type cx enter. First of all, we will check the rectangle and second we'll go to object. Okay, click on rectangle. This is the image, my friends. Okay, I will sometime you need to give comment or indication what is the detail of this image. So just select the rectangle and he's asking you specify fillet radius. I'll give 80. Okay, and you can give here and you can write your text details. Okay, this one done. I'll go for the second option, cx, as after loading the callout list, cx uh, object. Now select the object. Now it will ask you the frame or clip. I need clip, so first corner to second corner, and I need the 80 radius of the image. 80 radius. You can see now the image was converted into 4 side radiuses. It's look good also. So now you can write any text here or the detail of this image you can give it. Okay, let's go for the another option, cx type object, click this one and now asking for the radius. I'll give the radius of the not MV viewport. It will not take MV viewport, will not take radius. Okay, you have to create radius. Okay, so now you can give your details here. Now we can make it for this also. Object, select, give the radius for example 200. Okay, enter, and is asking to fillet the radius. Enter. Now select the object from corner to corner and click. Okay, now you can give your details. This list you can use in your presentation in the layout. For example, you need to make it here, you can give details, a lot of details you can give it here. Okay, I hope you like this video and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so when I uploaded a video you can get a notification. And if you need this list, just give me in the comment your email. I can forward you as soon as. I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye bye. Take care. And one more thing, guys, I am doing a Amazon Associates marketing. So if anyone like to purchase a hard disk, so I'm giving this in the description link, so you can click that one and you can purchase because it's WD 1 terabytes 3650 Indian rupee. Okay, it's very cheap, so it's a good product. We are using it in our office also. This one, it's very good product. Okay, I'm giving this link in the description, so if you purchase it I will get some benefits. If you need to help to me on my channel also. Okay, thanks, take care, bye bye. Don't forget to click because I'm giving this description in the description link. Okay, thanks, take care, bye bye.